Band 9 Vocabulary for IELTS Speaking and Writing Tests. I'm going to show you some bad words that are actually good. These awful words are going to help you to show the examiner that you can use vocabulary flexibly and precisely. Now, this is incredibly important for your score for vocabulary. Looking at Band 9, we can see this is what the examiners want. Uses vocabulary with full flexibility and precision in all topics. They're also looking for idiomatic language. I cover that in another video, which I'll give you a link to below in the description to this video. I also made another video about good words that you can use in your test. I'll put the link below in the description and also at the end of this video. So let's see what today's words are. Awful, horrible, atrocious, lousy, horrendous, disgusting, repulsive, disastrous, catastrophic. And here we can see some awful traffic. I think this is in Indonesia. So we can see that it would be quite awful to be stuck in this awful traffic. Whereas this scene is better described as horrible. Horrible sort of has the notion of horror or horrific in it. And we can see that this is an absolutely horrible accident. It's a horrible disaster that has likely killed at least 2 people. Lousy is another word for bad. It's not too strong a one. We can see that this dog has done something pretty lousy, and probably his owner is going to be in a lousy mood when he sees what lousy behavior this dog has had. Whereas this dog has done something disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Disgusting is a stronger word than awful. Disgusting has the notion of leaving us in disgust. It's an emotional reaction. It is good to see that this dog is sorry for his disgusting behavior and is taking steps to fix it. Similarly, something that's repulsive has again a negative emotional response from us. Most people would find picking your nose to be quite repulsive. Horrendous is back to the notion of horror, and here we can see the dog with the person's leg in his mouth looks quite horrendous. Actually, it's a fake picture. It's not a human bone. It's I think it's a pig's bone or something like that. Atrocious would be a good word to describe something really bad, like here, this weather. So we can use this word to describe this kind of weather, atrocious weather. Disastrous is much more serious. We can see that there has been some disastrous weather here, and this has resulted in an absolute disaster. Those are not boats, those are houses. It's an absolutely disastrous situation. Catastrophic is far more serious. A catastrophic situation is something like a nuclear weapon going off. It's just so terrible. You should save this word for very strongly negative situations. It could be useful if you're talking about something like global warming and the catastrophic effects that it's going to have, such as the catastrophic effects that it's going to have on melting ice. Just a quick video today. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll get updates from me.